Is I really like the box it came in. There's nice foam right here and it fits in snug. The box is solid, and the price was about $21, $22 for this. The retail is or list price is 25, and supposedly it's marked down a little bit. And I hope it works well. While I'm letting that cook in the oven, I'm going to get this started. And what we're going to do is take the giblets, the neck, and everything, and extra fat and stuff. Put that into the crock pot, and I've got some free-range chicken broth. I'm going to start this off with. I'm going to turn this on to turn it on to high to start. Alright, this chicken's been in for 1 hour at 325 in the Lisk roaster, and we're going to, when you flip the sensor out, that's when it turns on. So we're going to check this. We're only at 110. That's more near the bone. Okay, this has got to go longer. Alright. So I let this go for another 15 minutes, and just picking this up, this turns on, and I'm going, or at least it did that time. We're at 160. Yeah, we're there. On the interior though, man, that's pretty high. Total interior, we're at 160. This is done for sure. And that's the Inkbird.